Namaste everyone. Hello friends in Seattle. This is a special message for you all in Seattle. I used to live in Seattle, a lot of you know that. Uh, the beauty of this message is that I'm just done with my meditation. And you know, when you're meditating in presence of a rare ancient master like Sunita, you go beyond space and time. I have been in the meditation for more than an hour, but it felt like 5 minutes. And it's effortless. All that you do in this beautiful Sookshma ancient healing meditation is you just lie down, the master guides you a little bit, and she's not even there in that room. And then you completely transcend the pains, the turmoils, or anything that you carry, worries, anxieties, and you go into that state of complete bliss, which is impossible to attain in normal meditation. Many people meditate and they think that they are meditating. Of course, you're calm and relaxed, mind is still wandering here and there. Here it feels like mind is just still, that's it. And it's an intangible experience. You go from tangible to intangible to tangible, because what happens is when you experience that intangible state, the results are phenomenal. You can experience the results, and that is where results are tangible. Glow in the face, phenomenal contentment in your heart, twinkle in the eyes, the throat becomes soft and sweet, phenomenal energy. Like I always say, there is nuclear energy from every single cell. So my dear friends in Seattle, I know it's a beautiful city. We are just a few hours away in Vancouver. Master Sunita has traveled all around the world, but this is the first time she is coming to Seattle. I don't know why it did not happen, but it's happening. I'm blessed, and I'm sure you will be blessed and fortunate to meet such a rare ancient master. You know, the beauty of Sunita is she never declares herself to be a master, teacher, guru. Of course, we call her master, but she's such a simple, humble human being, like a very good friend, very cordial, very simple human being. I know Seattle is such a prominent place. You have all these great masters, gurus, teachers, spiritualists, spiritual leaders who come to talk and give lectures and propagate ancient wisdom, yoga, meditation, and spiritual practices. And you might be wondering, what is so special about Sunita and Sookshma? The most important thing is the effortless state of experiencing the highest states of consciousness and that pure bliss, which is impossible. I have tried so many meditations in the past, but when I came to Sunita, I realized instantly it's effortless, like I said. And the beauty is that healing happens instantly. You don't even realize that it is happening, but it happens. So it starts with self-healing, self-repair, and then self-transformation, and then self-realization. So you get a whole spectrum here. First, it starts with wellness. You might be thinking, no, I don't have any physical problems. Then from wellness, you will get fullness. Complete bliss, no matter what happens in your surroundings, no matter what happens in your life. You might be saying, Suman, I am very happy. If you are, then the third one is oneness. There is a highest state of experience, highest state of consciousness, where you have zero conflicts with anyone in this humanity, in this world. So if you have any physical, mental, emotional ailments, wellness is covered. If you are not happy, emotionally distraught, trauma, worries, phobias, anxieties, you get fullness. And then of course, the ultimate purpose of life and the greatest purpose to exist in this world is to realize that oneness and humanity. Oneness with yourself and that individual self with the pure divine cosmic self. This is not mumbo jumbo abstract stuff, dears. It is tangible experience, intangible to tangible experience that you will experience. And in my last 11 years, I've seen innumerable illnesses. You can talk about it, you can name it, from simple stress to anxieties to phobias to addictions to cancer to autoimmune illnesses, you name it. All of those heal quickly. That is a beauty. Fast recovery, quick recovery. First session, second session, you will realize it. So in Seattle, that is why we have 2 sessions we have organized on April 28th and April 29th. Both of them from 1 to 4. April 28th in Duvall Library, close to Redmond area. And then the April 29th is in Lynnwood Library, which is kind of central to everyone. And it's from 1 to 4. You have the registration. Obviously, if you go to our website, peacetree.ca, peacetree.ca, you can find the link for registration, and we look forward to see you all. As I said, this is the first time Master Sunita is coming to Seattle. So dears, please take advantage of this. You will not regret. Believe me, the price of the ticket is very, very simple, we kept it at very minimal. But the value that you will get from those 3 hours and that little money that you spend will not be even, you can't even compare that with millions of dollars. Really. And I'm telling you from my personal experience. And if you go to our YouTube channel, you will see many people sharing their experiences about Sookshma and Master Sunita. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll continue to share some of these inspirations straight from the Sookshma Center here until April 28th, so that you will be inspired to come and experience what I experience every week here in the presence of an ancient sage, an ancient master. Thank you very much. Namaste.